Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the Orla Kiely face mask. So let's go ahead and open up the packet. So in this packet is an Orla Kiely face mask. It was made in two styles or print designs. And let's open up the packet by, of course, peeling open the flap and sliding the face mask out. So giving you a nice clear look at the face mask before I start handling it. The front and of course the opposite side of the face mask right there in its packed form. And now taking a close-up look. So initial impressions, just handling it, it feels really soft and luxurious and very light in weight as well. So giving you some sense of scale and size of this Orla Kiely face mask. So it is a washable or reusable face mask, and you can see that floral and stem motif on the design of the face mask. So nice rich green on black with pink as well, and the Orla Kiely branding in white. And let's open up the face mask, spread it open, unfold it, and setting it down as well, giving you a nice clear look at the design and shape of this face mask right there. So right there is the front, of course, with that floral and stem motif. And taking a look on the back side. And a close-up look to the overall construction of this face mask. So the ear loop or band is not particularly elastic. So just giving you a look right there, but it is rather substantial in terms of the thickness of it. So giving you a look right there, and of course nice consistent stitching right through. And in terms of the fabric, once again, very soft and luxurious feeling. Has that very good premium feel to it. And right there, giving you a look up close to the overall aspects of this Orla Kiely face mask. So the ear loop once again. And of course, closer up look at the texture and weave pattern of this face mask. So right there you can see right throughout up close detail of the very flat and silky texture of this Orla Kiely face covering. So right there, once again, nice good look on the inner side, and of course the outer side of this Orla Kiely face mask. So once again, try my best to spread it open. Of course, it is still somewhat creased from its packed state, but there we go. Nicely spread out this Orla Kiely face mask. And taking a look at the inside as well. And of course, the thickness of the material. Let's see if I can show that to you. Of course, that's the hem. And right there. So there is an inner ply, of course, being the white cotton and the outer silky cover right there. So nice silk exterior and cotton interior right there of this Orla Kiely face mask. Right there, just stretching it out. So it does have a little bit of elasticity right there. But nonetheless, a very well made face mask with lovely stem and floral motif right there. So that's the Orla Kiely face mask. Thanks for watching and happy covering!